another YouTube video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but before we get into today's video, please like and subscribe. And today I'm going to be showing you how I make a fort. And if you would like, you can follow along too. So first, grab whatever you want, like stuffies. Make sure to get a lot of blankets. Then get a few clips, like me, and then get a few chairs. And those are all the materials you'll need. So I'm gonna hit a time lapse right now, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video. So enjoy. Here's a full tour of the fort. So yeah, this is it. We got a dog right here. He's very nice and cute. Then we got a caterpillar right here. And then we got all my stuffies. And then we got the big one up there. So, yeah, that's my video for today. See ya. Peace.
It's that clown ass urchin. Not really anything in here. Kenya tree not doing very good.